In the realm of science, the subject of what occurred before the enormous detonation has ignited a ton of conversations and interest for a long time. This question doesn't simply challenge our understanding of the universe. It likewise tests the constraints of human knowledge. Imagine standing at the edge of existence, exploring the profound unknown, and considering what was there before our universe began. The enormous detonation marked the beginning of time, space, and everything we know. But before that, was there something? Or perhaps there was something even more fascinating that existed before time itself. As we explore this mystery, science leads us on a journey that challenges everything we assumed we knew. Brian Cox, a physicist known for exploring the universe's wonders, proposes that something extraordinary may have existed before the enormous detonation. He urges us to reconsider our understanding of the universe and existence. In this exploration, we will break down the science, theories, and astounding ideas that could explain what was there prior to everything beginning. We'll delve into concepts like cosmic inflation, quantum changes, dark energy, and even the possibility of multiple universes. The answers we find may surprise you and could open new ways of thinking about our position in the universe. Prepare to dive into a world beyond our imagination, where the unknown still surrounds us, leaving scientists in awe and sometimes perplexed. Let's explore what was there before the enormous detonation and why these theories challenge everything we thought we knew. To understand what existed before the Big Bang, we first need to understand what the Big Bang was. The enormous detonation, as scientists explain it, was the point when the universe became incredibly hot and dense, expanding rapidly to create all matter, energy, and forces. When we gaze at the night sky, we see evidence of this hot start, with galaxies spreading out from a single point. But what caused this event? Was there a time before this hot, dense start? According to the theory of cosmic inflation, there was indeed something before the Big Bang, and it was much emptier and quieter. Cosmic inflation states that before the enormous detonation, the universe was in a state of cold emptiness, almost like an empty vacuum. However, this vacuum wasn't completely empty. It had a vast amount of energy that caused space itself to expand rapidly. This rapid expansion, called inflation, happened so quickly that it set the stage for everything that would occur in the universe. Space expanded at an astonishing rate until it slowed down, and the energy transformed into particles and forces, creating what we now call the Big Bang. But what was the nature of this energy? Why did it suddenly trigger the universe, and why did it stop? Scientists believe that this rapid expansion created pockets in the universe, each undergoing its own Big Bang. Imagine a fabric unraveling with bubbles forming. Each bubble represents a different universe, including our own. This idea, called the inflationary multiverse, suggests that there are potentially endless Big Bangs and a limitless number of universes. Our own universe is just one of many. This vast reality challenges our understanding of the universe and leaves us with the question: what else could be out there? The idea of nothingness before the Big Bang is just a theory, not a fact, based on what we know now. Even if you remove all energy, particles, and radiation from the universe, there would still be something left. Our universe is filled with dark matter, dark energy, quantum fields, and other forces that we don't fully understand. Even in its emptiest form, the universe still contains something. If we imagine removing these forces, leaving behind an empty space, the universe would still generate new kinds of energy. This idea is puzzling for scientists, as it suggests that true nothingness may not be possible. Based on what we know, space itself has properties, rules, and constants that prevent it from being completely empty. Imagine creating a region with nothing in it. No particles, no radiation, and no energy, except quantum fields and universal constants. These would still exist, suggesting that this nothingness still has properties. For example, there's a theory called zero-point energy, which refers to the lowest energy state of quantum fields. In this state, particles can still appear and vanish, creating a strange dance of activity even in what should be empty space. This challenges the idea of true nothingness and suggests that even before the Big Bang, there was something. Scientists are still trying to understand this. One of the most astonishing ideas in modern cosmology is the possibility of eternal inflation. If inflation can create our universe, it's possible that it could continue forever. Brian Cox describes a vast inflationary multiverse where new universes are constantly created and grow. Imagine each Big Bang as a spark igniting a new universe, while inflation continues in other regions, creating many other universes. This process could, in theory, go on forever. This idea of giant universes creating more universes leads to a fascinating concept. Maybe each new universe could create its own Big Bang. Each universe would exist independently, separate from the others. For scientists, this idea is both exciting and unsettling because it suggests an endless multiverse with no definite beginning or end. Picture our universe as a small piece of a massive cosmic pattern, constantly and endlessly creating new universes. What if that's the true nature of reality? There is no beginning or end, just an infinite cycle of universes forming. Our understanding of nothingness changes when we look at quantum field theory. According to this theory, the universe isn't made of matter floating in space. It might be made up of complex energy fields that connect everything we see. These fields are like invisible oceans, with tiny particles acting as waves or disturbances. Even when fields are at their lowest energy level, called the vacuum state, they are still active. Particles can appear and disappear in these fields instantly, absorbing and releasing energy before vanishing. This idea of virtual particles, substances that exist briefly and then disappear, challenges the notion of a true void. Imagine a void. A universe where all matter, radiation, and energy have been removed. Would there actually be nothing? According to the quantum field hypothesis, no. Even in an unfilled vacuum, fields remain dynamic, sometimes creating brief particles. This constant activity in what should be empty space suggests that the universe doesn't align with our concept of nothingness. The fields and forces continue to fill the universe with energy, preventing true emptiness. This raises an intriguing question. If fields create particles and particles create matter, could the universe have originated from this seemingly empty space filled with quantum fields? Dark energy is another mysterious force that currently causes the universe to expand faster. But did dark energy exist before the Big Bang? Some scientists believe that dark energy may have been part of the universe even before it began. The properties of dark energy suggest that it could have been a massive force prior to the Big Bang. Some theories propose that dark energy, in a stronger form, may have caused the rapid expansion of space, triggering the Big Bang. The existence of dark energy implies that even if the universe were stripped of all matter and radiation, this force would still continue to expand space. This idea leads to a fascinating question. If dark energy existed before the Big Bang, could it have created the universe? Could dark energy be the quiet force behind inflation or even the true origin of our universe? As we contemplate this, we face the possibility that dark energy not only shaped our universe but may also reveal secrets about the multiverse. Another idea is cyclic cosmology, which offers an alternative to the Big Bang as the ultimate beginning. This theory suggests that the universe undergoes vast cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. In this model, the Big Bang was not a one-time event but part of an eternal cycle where universes are born, die, and are reborn. This theory implies that there was never a true beginning, just a continuous series of universes. Cyclic cosmology raises profound questions. It suggests that time itself could repeat rather than continue forever. If this idea is correct, what existed before the Big Bang was simply another version of the universe, one that collapsed to give birth to our own. For scientists, this theory offers an intriguing answer to the question of where the universe came from, suggesting that the universe has always existed in some form, beyond our notions of time and existence. Gravitational waves are another fascinating clue that could help us understand what happened before the Big Bang. These waves, discovered in 2015, are ripples in spacetime caused by massive objects like black holes or colliding neutron stars. Some scientists believe that gravitational waves could hold the key to unlocking the universe's earliest moments. Imagine these waves traveling backward in time to reveal the ancient universe. If we could measure waves stretching back to the very first moments, we could gain insight into the state of the universe before the Big Bang. This idea requires new technology. If we could trace gravitational waves far enough back, we might discover more about the universe's origins. Traveling through time to understand its beginnings is still far from reality, but it provides us with an exciting way to think about the ultimate mystery humanity is still trying to solve. In conclusion, there are numerous scientific ideas attempting to understand what happened before the Big Bang, from quantum theory to dark energy to inflation and the multiverse. Each theory challenges our understanding of reality. As scientists delve deeper into the unknown, we move closer to uncovering the deepest secrets of existence. Yet there's still so much we don't know. Perhaps one day, with better technology, we'll find the answers hidden in the cosmic void. Until then, we continue on a journey to understand how our universe began and what mysteries remain before the Big Bang. As we explore what happened before the Big Bang, scientists are continually developing new tools and ideas to bring us closer to the truth. For example, new telescopes and space missions are helping us study distant galaxies, black holes, and even the cosmic microwave background, the faint glow left over from the Big Bang. These observations provide more clues about the universe's early days and offer a glimpse into what might have come before. One area of growing interest is the study of black holes. These mysterious regions of space, where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape, are thought to hold valuable secrets about the universe's past. Some scientists suggest that the interior of a black hole could be a gateway to another universe, potentially forming due to the collapse of a previous one. If black holes play a role in creating new universes, they could be a key to understanding how our universe fits into a larger cosmic cycle. Another exciting field is the study of quantum mechanics. This branch of physics deals with the behavior of particles on the smallest scales, where strange and unpredictable things happen. Some researchers suggest that quantum fluctuations, tiny random changes in energy, may have played a role in the birth of the universe. These fluctuations could have created the conditions that allowed spacetime and matter to emerge. Thus, quantum theory could offer a new understanding of what happened before the Big Bang, where the laws of physics as we know them may have broken down. Additionally, the idea of parallel universes, or the multiverse, continues to captivate scientists and philosophers alike. If our universe is just one of many, what might these other universes look like? Could they have different physical laws or even different forms of life? Exploring the concept of the multiverse challenges our most basic assumptions about the universe and raises profound questions about the nature of reality. While we have no direct evidence for parallel universes, some theories suggest that they could be connected to the Big Bang or may have arisen from the same processes that led to the creation of our universe. Despite the many theories and possibilities, the truth about what existed before the Big Bang remains elusive. We are still far from fully understanding the origins of the universe, but each new discovery brings us closer. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe expands, it's possible that the answers to these fundamental questions may eventually emerge. Ultimately, the quest to understand what happened before the Big Bang is about more than answering a scientific question. It's about our place in the vast, mysterious universe. By exploring the origins of the universe, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of existence and our role in the unfolding story of the cosmos. Each step forward in this journey brings us closer to understanding the nature of reality, the limits of our knowledge, and the profound mystery that surrounds us. While we may not have all the answers yet, the journey itself makes this exploration so fascinating. The question of what existed before the Big Bang is just one of many mysteries that continue to captivate the minds of scientists, philosophers. The mystery of the universe is far from solved, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its deepest secrets. And dreamers alike. As we continue to search for answers, one thing is certain: the pursuit of knowledge will always push the boundaries of what we know and challenge us to look beyond the familiar to discover the unknown.